Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I just want to quickly show you how you can make at least $10 every day on Binance. Okay, this method I'm going to be showing you is actually very straightforward method. Okay, so I want you to give me your full attention and see exactly what I'm going to be showing you here. Okay, so if you come up here now, you're going to be seeing that these are the coin, okay, that are very hot on Binance presently. You can see hot here, you can see BNB, you can see BTC, Ethereum, OAX, and PEP. So all these coins presently, as you can see them here on Binance, are very hot, okay. But if you check up here, you're going to be seeing that there's something called gainers here. They're going to see something that is called losers here, and also you're going to be seeing something called new listing here. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you can make money from these gainers, right? We're going to be making use of these gainers and also this new listing. Okay, this is what I use every single day, right? So if you come to this gainers here, this new listing here, let's click on this new listing here. So here you're going to be seeing that there are some coin here. You can see cyber, say, WLD, AKM, and all those ones are newly kind of listed on Binance. If you click this more here, you're going to see more of them, right? But there's something I want to show you. You can see this particular one, this Floki. You see, it has gained 0.81%. Now, I took this particular one this morning, right? Because I checked through the, okay, let me quickly show you here. Okay, let me go to my spot wallet here. You can see my spot wallet here. Now, basically, I've been trading futures, so I actually just deposited these funds here, okay, because I just want to show you just this simple method how you can start even with $10. Okay, even if you have just $10 in your account, $5, the minimum is actually $5. Okay, you can get started with this thing and be growing your account gradually. Okay, but the higher money you put into this thing, the better it is for you. Okay, so now you can see this one here, this Floki. This Floki, I just bought this like 5 minutes ago just to let's say 5-10 minutes ago just to analyze to you how this thing actually works. Okay, you can see I bought this with $5, but you can see it appreciate to $5.01 already. Okay, now let's go back to what I was trying to show you earlier. Okay, let's go back to what I was trying to show you earlier. So here, okay, so this is the Floki that I actually bought. So as at when I bought it, it was on negative. It was on minus 1.5 something, right? When I actually bought it, but now you can see it's on plus 0.98. Now remember I said I bought it with just $5. So assuming I bought it with like $100 or $200 or $500, okay, already I would have made like $5 or $7 already. Okay, but there's something I want to show you to know exactly how you can start this. Don't just start it blindly. Remember, I'm going to be showing you another one on the gainers, but what I'm showing you presently now is on the new listing. Okay, so let's click on this Floki now. Okay, if I click on this Floki, do you see? Can you see this is the chart of the Floki on spots? Okay, now before you get started, make sure that your money is on the spot wallet, not on the funding wallet, on the spot wallet. Okay, now you can see here, and when you click on that Floki and it brings you here, make sure that the chart is on the 4 hours chart. Okay, now if you look at this chart now, you see that the price actually went up and it came down. You can see this big bearish candle. It came down to this support. Now, where is the support? Did you see this moving average, right? This moving average 25, this pink one, look at it here. This is moving average 25. Now, you don't need to set this moving average by yourself. Automatically, if you have this Binance app, especially if you have this updated one, right, you're going to have these moving averages, okay, already installed on your chart for you. Okay, if you see, like I rightly told you, this pink one is moving average 25. This is it. Okay, then you look at this this one. This is moving average 7. That is the yellow one. This one up here, and then this moving average 99. This is it here. But what I want you to pay more attention to is this moving average 25. Most of the time, this moving average 25 actually comes as a support, okay, on the 4-hour time frame. Take note of that, as a support on the 4-hour time frame. Remember, I told you when I took this, when I bought that Floki, okay, when I bought this Floki, this green candle, this 4-hour green candle you are seeing was not formed. It was just on this red candle, but because it was on the resistance, I knew it was going to go up, so I decided to buy it. Okay, so that is the reason why you can see it's appreciating already. It's on plus 0.92. Okay, remember I told you initially it was on minus 1.54 or thereabout, right? So if you buy it, all you just need to do is just to hold on to the coin. Okay, hold on to it. As at the time of recording this video, this is just like 10 a.m. in the morning, my time, Nigerian time. Okay, so towards that evening time, like around 4-5, I will come back to this chart to check. By them, hopefully it must have appreciated. Okay, then I'm going to close it or convert it. I'm going to convert this Floki that I bought to USDT. Okay, do you get what I'm trying to say now, right? So remember, you just buy it. Now let me quickly show you how you're going to be buying. Make sure you have USDT. Okay, you have USDT in your spot wallet. Okay, then let me quickly show you how you're going to buy it and hold on to it and make profit every day. Okay, here is the chart now, right? Here is the chart. Okay, here is the chart. So if you want to buy, let's assume I want to buy this particular one now. Let me look for another one that can buy with five. Okay, this Pepe too is a very good coin, but it's going down now. But let me check where it is presently. It's on support. No, I'm not going to buy it because you can see it's not showing me good indication for me to buy it, right? You can see this pink MACD 25 is not, or it's not Binance. So Pepe definitely most hopefully is going to be going down. Okay, let me look for another coin that I believe, this MAV. Let me take a look at this MAV. Okay, now this MAV is most likely to go up because if you draw your trend line from here, okay, you can see the trend line is going to touch here, it's going to touch here, and it's going to touch here, and this coin is most likely to go up, right? But presently you can see it is on minus 1.89. But if you put your trend line here, okay, if you are doing this on the desktop, if you put your trend line here, you draw your trend line like this, you're going to see it's going to come like this down here. Okay, so let's assume I want to buy this coin and hold it in my spot wallet. So I'm going to come down to this buy here. I click on this buy. Okay, it's going to bring me here, right? Then I'm going to click on this limit. Do you see this limit? Okay, click on it, then put it in markets. If you put it on markets here, right, make sure up here is showing this MAV stroke USDT, meaning that I want to use my USDT to buy this MAV coin. Okay, so here now, let's say I want to do it with $5. I'm going to put $5. I'm just using this $5 as an example, but you can do more than $5. Okay, the higher the amount of money you put into it, the more profit you're going to be making. Okay, so I'm going to click on buy now, buy this MAV. Right, if I click on it, you can see it says success. Now if I go to my wallet now, you're going to see that I'm going to have this MAV in my wallet here. So you can see I have the MAV in my wallet here already. Okay, so as the coin will begin to appreciate, then you're going to see that this amount that I have here is going to start increasing. Okay, and that is how I'm going to start making money. Now by the time you must have made money, let's assume this Floki now, I want to convert it back to USDT. All I just need to do is just to go back to my chart here. Okay, go back to my wallet here, then I come up here where it says more. Okay, I'm going to click on this more, then I'm going to come down to convert here. Okay, I'm going to click on this convert. Okay, then you can see the Floki is up here already. Then I'm going to convert it to USDT. Then this, I'm going to click on this BTC here. I'm going to choose USDT, right? Then I'm going to click on max. Okay, then I'm going to click on preview conversion. Okay, then I'm going to click on convert. Then automatically that it has been conversion successful. It has been converted to USDT. Let me go back to my account and show you now. So if I come back, you can see I don't have that Floki here anymore. Okay, all I have here now is USDT because I've sold that Floki. So if I had waited till like after the coin would have appreciated, I would have made a whole lot of money and I would have converted it to USDT, to stable coin. Okay, I hope you got what I'm trying to say. Just take your time quietly and sit down and watch this video and follow the process that I showed you. You're going to be making at least 10 to 20, 30, 40, $50 every day passively from your spot wallet on Binance. Okay, now remember that this method I showed you, you have to be also very careful because trading cryptocurrency actually comes with a whole lot of risk. Okay, But in the long run, if you follow the process, you're going to be making money from Binance every single day. Okay, I'm going to be making another video to show you how you can make money from Binance Launchpad. That is another great video. So I want to advise you to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that, and also click on that notification button so that when I drop that video, you'll be able to see it. That is another big kind of video that shows you exactly step by step how you can make money on Binance. Okay, now, and for this video, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and like this video. Please like this video so that others will get to see it. Okay, and remember to follow the processes that I showed in this video if you want to make money. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.